Okay, I'm in my Toyota Hilux at the moment, and I'm here because I'm going to do my first modification to the Hilux, which is speakers. I'll get to the reason behind that now. And also, don't fall off your bicycle, it really hurts. Anyway, I have a song I'm going to play so that I can test the before and after. So I'm going to play the song just so that you can hear the bass. I am a bass head, so I love my bass. I want to feel it, I want to experience it, I just don't want to hear a car going rattling, a door rattling. So let's hear it. Okay, so you can feel this is now the stock speakers. I think it's stock at least. You can feel the bass a bit. It rattles here and there. It's quite a heavy bass song, but nothing major, nothing wow. So let's see if we can get it upgraded and make it sound better. The main reason behind me changing my speakers first is because I drive a lot and I enjoy my music. But another reason is because it is one of your cheaper modifications. Now, we are back here in my car again. The speakers have been done. Here's the box as proof. Speakers have been done. They are Rockford Fosgate speakers. Now it's time for a test. So, same song, same volume, same location, same everything. Here's the difference. Wow. So that's a big difference. So it is definitely more clear, and it is also obviously a lot more bass. It's not trance festival bass pumping that your windows will smash, but it's definitely more bass than it had before. And it's on, you can go even higher volume. Usually I listen to it on like 45 volume on mine, but now I don't even have to go that high. What am I on? Yeah, yes, I'm on 40 volume, so I usually listen on 45. But now it's on 40 and it's more than hard enough, much harder than what it was when it was on 45. So yeah, I'm happy. Thank you Loud and Clear for sorting me out with some nice speakers, for the advice and everything. I'm happy, I love the speakers, and I can now drive my road trips and enjoy some lacquer music. Cool, cheers.